approach the victim, we check the responsiveness. Hey, are you okay? My name is Ruel, a trained first aider. May I help you? No response. Activate EMS. Lady wearing white t-shirt, please call an ambulance and please come back immediately. While waiting for the ambulance, we check the vehicle pulse for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Positive, carotid pulse, not right gun. Positive carotid pulse. Then we check the breathing. On the left, exoteric maneuver. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So negative breathing. So positive pulse, positive carotid pulse, negative breathing for 4 RD. Walay compression sa RD ha. So starts with a blow and ends with a blow. So ang iyang ulo guys, naka-headstock silent maneuver na gid na all the time. So imong kamot diha na lang gid na guys sa forehead. Ang move ana kanina lang imuhang index ug imuhang thumb para mag-pinch. Okay, so ano na lang din siya guys. Starts with a blow, ends with a blow. 1, 2, 3, and 1. 1, 2, 3, and 2. 1, 2, 3, and 3. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 5. 1, 2, 3, and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 7. 1, 2, 3, and 9. 1, 2, 3, and 10. 1, 2, 3, and 24. Okay. So that was the last cycle. Check again the pulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Positive carotid pulse. And then left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Positive breathing. Recovery. Position. So, simple na no? Simple ba? Ay, nakasabot ka.